Assalamu alaikum and welcome to our channel. In this video, we dive into the world of high-end living room decoration, focusing on how luxury sofas, carpets, tables, and TV units can elevate your home's aesthetics. Whether you are looking to refresh your space or undertake a complete makeover, this guide offers you expert tips and inspiration to create a sophisticated and stylish living area. A luxury sofa is the centerpiece of any elegant living room. We explore different styles from classic Chesterfields to modern modular design and discuss how high quality materials like leather and velvet can add a touch of opulence. Discover how to choose the perfect sofa that not only complements your decor but also provides comfort and durability. Adding a plush high-end carpet can transform the feel of your space. We will show you how to select carpets that match your sofa and overall room design. Learn about various textures, patterns, and colors that can enhance the visual appeal of your living area. From intricate Persian rugs to contemporary shaggy carpets, find out how the right rug can tie your room together. A luxury coffee table or side table can make a significant impact on your living room decor. Watch as we explore different materials and designs, from sleek glass tables to ornate wooden pieces. A TV unit should be both functional and stylish. We shall guide you through selecting modern units that integrate seamlessly into your decor, offering storage solutions while showcasing your television. Learn about various designs from minimalist floating units to elaborate built-in options and how they can enhance the look of your living space. Discover how to harmonize your sofa, carpet, table, and TV unit with the rest of your living room.